The World Health Organization has issued a warning about 3 cough syrups produced in India. According to the organization, these syrups made for children contain dangerously toxic chemicals that pose serious health risks. The warning mentions that Coldref by Shresan Pharmaceuticals, Respifresh TR by Rednex Pharmaceuticals, and Relive by Shape Pharma contain dangerously high levels of diethylene glycol, about 500 times higher than the permissible limit. Excessive intake of this chemical can cause fatal poisoning, including kidney failure. WHO stated that these toxic syrups are increasing the risk of child deaths. In August, 17 children in India died after consuming Coldref. The WHO has previously raised concerns over the safety of Indian-made medicines. In 2023, 141 children in Uzbekistan, Gambia, and Cameroon died after consuming Indian cough syrups. These incidents have sparked global concern about the quality of Indian pharmaceuticals. India's Central Drugs Standard Control Organization CDSCO said it has taken the WHO's warning seriously and will strengthen quality control measures. WHO has also urged countries to ensure that these syrups are not sold or used for children. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.